Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add text in CapCut. So to do that, first open the CapCut and select any project. So here I've selected this project, and over here we have this video. So if you want to add text, all you have to do is click on text option, and here you can add your text. So I'm just going to do that, and you can place this text anywhere in the video. So yeah, now all you have to do is export this, and your video will be done with added text. So there you go. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Please also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.